Hello, Stacy here as always, and today I'm going to be doing a craft that's not really a craft. It's something that I just kind of made up in my head, and hopefully how I plan on doing it, it will actually work and we'll have a video at the end. But what it is, as you can see, also I'm outside and I just swept the deck and there was all this little pollen that I could see in the air, and spring allergies here are insane. So you see me going like, then it's probably just the allergies. What I have is this cool little key here. Or it's not little, it's huge. So this cool huge key, and I got it at a craft store. I just am unsure what craft store because I got it a few years ago, and it was probably, it could have been my first trip to Hobby Lobby, and I didn't have anything that I had to get, but I felt like I should buy something, so I got this key. It's a possibility, I don't know. It's the Paper Studio brand. I don't know if that's Hobby Lobby or what, but anyway, it, like it says, is paper, or basically cardboard rather. You can see that it's 3 layers of thick cardboard, and I can't bend it or anything. My plan is to hang it like this. I'm going to try to put these hooks into it, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe 6 across, and these will be to hang your keys on. I kind of want to keep this a metal color since it is a key. I can do some metallics maybe. You know that weird, it's like a weird teal metallic color sometimes that metal turns? Maybe I can whip something up that's that color to paint this. That would be cute. Anyways, this is all an experiment. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but my plan right now, if it works, is to drill little holes into the key here and then glue these hooks into those holes, and that's my plan. We'll see if it works. If it works, I'll have a video. If it doesn't work, then you aren't looking at me right now. Does that make sense? Okay, let's get started. Okay, I am not, let me just say this now. I am not a hardware person. I get by, and that's good enough for me. Look at my crazy socks in here. Okay, so this is a getting by, and I'm sure that I'm doing this completely wrong, and I don't need your judgment as long as it gets the job done, right? Okay. I have this smallest little drill thing that I had. I'm gonna hold it upright. I'm gonna put a little hole in there. If I go all the way through, that's no problem. That may be too small. Let me do it again. That might be too small. Let me check it with the hook. Okay, I'm just gonna check it with the hook. see if it'll even go in that hole. Is that where I want the keys to hang? So the key will hang on it kind of like that. Do I want them up there or do I want them in the center? You know, I changed my mind again. I think I want the hooks to be center on here, even though the keys hang a little bit lower because of the hook. And that's okay. I can, whenever I paint this, you won't be able to see that hole at all. Okay, let me do this again then. Y'all, I may not be like Little Miss Hardware, but I at least know how to be a perfectionist when it comes to measuring stuff. And putting stuff completely center and okay, yeah. I get that from my dad, I'm pretty sure. Speaking of other people, I'm sure that if my boyfriend is watching this, he's probably cringing. Okay, here go my little holes. Oh my gosh. This pollen driving me crazy, y'all. One, two, 3, 4, 5. That looks good to me. And if you are watching this, boyfriend, don't tell me I did it wrong. Just tell me it looks great. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys in there. Speed this up so you don't have to watch it all. Yay! It is done. Well, at least this part, not the painting part. The hooks I didn't have to glue in there or anything. I have a key with hooks and for more keys. And the back, the hooks poked through the cardboard just a tiny little bit, you can see there, but I think I'm just gonna sand that so that it doesn't have a rough back there. But now we are ready for painting. I love it when a plan comes together. All done. So I did get that kind of silvery teal, kind of rusted, molded, I don't even know if it's rust or mold, kind of look. I put it on there with a sponge, as you saw, and then black and dark brown. You can see the little hooks whenever I hold it like that. Okay, this will be going up on my wall. Quick little project. It was a lot quicker than I thought, actually. Nice. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to Sassy Stacy Noel YouTube channel. I do mostly all craft stuff, a lot of cross stitch, a little bit of coloring. I talk a little bit about just random things, and I try to make it interesting, but I just do these for fun. So I am not an expert on any of this stuff. I am just doing my thing. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye.